Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I came up with another new recruitment, that is Boeing India recruitment. Guys, they have looking for associate mechanical design and analysis engineer to join their team in Bangalore. Guys, here the job location is in Bangalore. Guys, let's see about the job details. Before that, still who are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends also. Your one subscribe will give me lot of motivation for me. Okay guys, let's move on to job details. Guys, here the position responsibilities are: this position will be responsible to support mechanical design and analysis of wide range of mechanical structures and products. This position will be responsible for coordinating and communicating regularly with team members in Boeing organizations and shall provide period update on project progress, quality metrics, project summaries, and other related documents. In this role, the engineer will work independently with minimum supervision to come up with a conceptual and detailed designs based on the requirements and proactively seek information and direction to successfully complete the statement of work. This position will participate and support initiating of Boeing India organization related to engineering excellence and employee development, customer engagement, etc. This position will located in Boeing India Engineering and Technology Center, Bangalore, India. Employer will not sponsor application for employment visa status. Here the qualification they have and required skills. Here who have completed BE or master degree in mechanical, aerospace, aeronautical, civil disciplines. Fresher graduates shall be considered for this position based on the matching skill sets. 0 to 3 years relevant work experience. Who have not also experience, they can also apply. And knowledge of structural design, mechanical design, material properties, awareness of industry standards for structural and mechanical system designs, knowledge of CAD tools, CATIA, Creo, Unigraphics or NX for modeling, drafting, modeling based on definition is essential. Able to work under guidance with positive attitude and highest ethics. And preferred qualifications also they have given: good knowledge of new product development process, knowledge of basics of stress analysis, basic understanding of aircraft certification process and life cycle, basic understanding of GD and T, knowledge of PDM or PLM tools such as Innovia, Teamcenter, able to verify accuracy of technical and non-technical data, gathers relevant data for root cause analysis and produces changes, resolve the discrepancies in design packages, must be able to work collaboratively with cross-functional team. Okay guys, type of educational I have already told. They have education or experience typically acquired through advanced education, example bachelor, and typically 3 years related work experience or equivalent combination education and experience. The relocation also they have told that this position does offer relocation within India. At the highest level, diversity and inclusion are at Boeing of levels. Having diverse employees, business partners, and community relationships is vital to create advanced aerospace and defense products and services for diverse customers around the world. Here the experience level they have given as individual contributor. Schedule time is full. Guys, the apply link is given in description box. You have to go to that link and apply through this job. You have completed BE in mechanical or civil and civil, and for also aeronautical aerospace. Okay guys, hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up and please share this video and please